Good evening, everyone. This is Terry Kashat with Connect Loans, and tonight, January 2nd, 2025, we're going to kick off the new year with a fresh market update. So number one, average interest rates. Let's assume you're buying a home that's $500,000 or more. You have a 720 credit score, you're putting 5% down, and you're paying about 1 point. And the last metric, you're above the income limit for the area. You're going to be looking at an average of a 6.99%. Yes, a 6.99%. Scenario number two, let's act like you're buying a home that's around $400,000 or less. You have a 680 FICO credit score, and your qualifying income is below the income limit. You actually end up with a better deal for that if you're below that income limit, even with a lower credit score. You end up with a 6.5%. That's right, a 6.5%. Last scenario is an FHA loan at 3.5% down, also below $400,000. You're going to be looking at a 6.125. You would only choose FHA if you need to, or if for some crazy reason the actual numbers work out better, which we are comparing those scenarios right now. In some cases, they are working out better. So those are the average interest rates right now. Those are all a 30-year fixed mortgage. 15-year rates will obviously be a little bit less by about 0.375. Some cases, 0.5% better. Now, let's go to point number two, home values. How are homes appraising? So the market has been pretty stable. If anything, home values have been still steadily appreciating normally. Appraisal values have been coming in at value or above. We had only a handful of short appraisals for the year 2024, and I expect that trend to continue through all of 2025 for the foreseeable future. Takes us to point number three, is the offer strategy to get your family's home offer accepted. So we have a series on YouTube that we released. It's the offer strategy series about different ways, different methods you could use to get your family's home offer accepted. The details are in there, but I'm always going to recommend my favorite one, the appraisal guarantee, the appraisal waiver, and being backed by a certified loan approval by Connect Loans. Point number four, the NAR settlement that happened at the end of summer, the National Association of Realtors, that settlement that you guys all heard about in the news, hasn't really had an effect on the market. I think the realtors have been doing a good job on making sure that their sellers are still making the right type of deals happen for home buyers. So good job with that. Hasn't really had an impact on how we do things here, not yet. Takes us to the last point. If you want to figure out your buying power for the year 2025, if you want a proper loan approval, a certified or better yet, a Spark loan approval by Connect Loans, so you have the confidence and peace of mind in getting your family's home offer accepted, or you may not be qualified yet, you want a blueprint, so you know what you got to do to get yourself to a qualified state this year, connect with any one of us here at Connect Loans so we can have you touch down on a new home for your family in the future. We look forward to serving you and your family in 2025. See you soon.